Hey, hi. Thank you for being here. My name is Mehdi, and I'm the founder of Panorama, the ultimate intelligence e-commerce platform. And today, I wanted to take a few minutes to review the digital marketing strategy of one of the best brands out there, Lululemon, and see what its competitors were doing as well, so we can have an overview over what's actually the athleisure industry. I wanted to focus really on Lululemon, maybe take a look at what the Lululemon competitors were also doing, and let's do this. What we're going to do during this video is we're going to take the time to review their email marketing strategy, their paid media marketing strategy as well. Take a look at their creatives on Meta, see what its competitors are doing as well. And I'm going to share with you guys at the end of the video every interesting asset that we're going to see during this video. I'm going to add them into a list that you will be able to access for free. You can already find the link in the description of the video. If it helps you, well, let me know. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel because we're doing those exercises, several times a week now. So I hope it's going to be useful. And let's jump right in. I'm using the platform that we built, Panorama, for this. Here we have a benchmark where I can compare the performances of Lululemon versus, a set of competitors. And I've pulled off Gymshark, Noble, Under Armour, Nike, Outdoor Voices. Well, all are great names. And the first thing that we see are, some statistics over the last 30 days. For instance, if I'm taking Lululemon, Lululemon sent 20 emails over the last 30 days versus 27 on average for all those brands. I do have the same statistic for the ads and for the average spam score. If I want to go in the detailed, here I go. So Lululemon, 20 emails sent over the last 30 days versus, for instance, Noble or Under Armour. The record is set for Noble with 46 emails over the last 30 days. So that's 2 emails every 3 days. 3 emails every 2 days. So that's huge. I got to say that we're December 3rd, so we're just past Black Friday, Cyber Monday. We're at the peak of holiday season. Christmas is just around the corner, so that's why we've been seeing those figures with brands sending that much emails. See, versus the 30 days before, they were sending. They sent 50% more emails during those last 30 days versus the 30 days before. So there's that. So interesting. We can see that actually Lululemon is just a bit below the average, but looking at the figure, like we have 2 monsters sending a lot of emails here, and all the others are actually between 20 and 30. So they're in Lululemon is in the lower range, but not that much. What's especially super good here is that they have a very good email scoring, which means that actually the deliverability, of their email is actually super good. So we do check a lot of things and all the best practices of the email marketing to assess the email scoring. I do believe that we're taking into account 38 data points for now, including the spam score. So having this kind of score, it means that they do have a super low spam score, which is the case. So it means that they're almost never in the spam folder of their recipients. For me, 7, 8 is a super good score. 10 is almost a record. It's great. All right, 11. Okay, 12. Here we go. We do have a record for Nike with minus 12 as spam score. So that's impressive. Even better, they lead the way with Lululemon in terms of email size, which means that all the emails that we're going to see from Lululemon, they're super low in size. So they load faster in the email clients. They load faster on the phone. And it's a super good practice to have when you're actually betting on email marketing as an acquisition channel. You can see that, for instance, Noble or Gymshark or Vuori are sending very heavy emails. Usually it's the size of the images that they're using. So let's take a look right now. Lululemon, all right, you have a few trends. So yeah, you see that they've been sending more emails over the last 30 days than before. The trend in the fashion industry has been super high. On average, they were sending 6 emails a week before, with some lows between 3 and 4, 6 and 6 again. And the same for the ads. Here we have a timeline, but let's dig down into the emails. The emails of Lululemon are a lot about the visuals. They're never using the same visuals twice. And still, you see that the emails is all about the visuals, but and you're looking at the email, so the images are super important. They're also super light, as we saw, because the email scoring is super high each time. And that there's a super great work done on the wordings and on the copywriting. If you're ever looking for inspiration for your email copywriting, I'll take a look at what Lululemon is doing. It's an amazing job. It's an amazing job. We're at the level of Apple here because it's simple yet super effective. So you want excuses 0, get a leg up on holiday. It's great. It's great. All of those are great emails. One of the things that I wanted to show was actually looking at let's take a look at their journey. Just wanted to show quickly how Lululemon was introducing a new product, a product launch, because this video is about Lululemon, so why not? And because it's interesting as well. So first of all, you have a sequence of 3 emails. The first one is the teasing one. Lululemon does shoes. Here you go. Explain that a bit and then introduce the product. Coming March 22, we're bringing you shoes that shift the starting line status quo. Women first footwear. Ready, set, go. So this first email here is actually to introduce the product, tease a bit, and let the audience know that this is coming 30 days after. So that was on March 9, and then March 22, we do have a second email. The launching email just landed. Lululemon for your feet, always wanted, the brand that you've always wanted. Blissfeel, a women first running shoe. So this is the launch email in partnership with Strava, Shop Running. And then, all right, that's 1 day after, another email, much more branded, I'd say, another email about the product, and then continuation over the women what's new. All right, so wanted to show this, and quickly let's have a look at what the competition is doing in terms of emails. So taking no bull, looking at the benchmark, they were at a lot of 46 emails the last 30 days. So that's 3 emails every 2 days. You see the difference right away between Lululemon and No Bull. There's way more text here, and the images are always taking half of the email, of the header of the email, where here it's taking really in portrait mode all of the email space. So you see the difference right away. It's just another way of speaking to your audience. The copy is done differently as well because there's way more words in their emails. All right, another one is Under Armour. Here we go. They're doing here something that actually I wasn't. It doesn't surprise me actually that much. Is that they're sending the very same email several times. And then look at this. It's Black Friday, and they're sending 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh my! They're sending see almost the very same email I guess up to 20 times during this period. So, the period where you do have to send a lot of emails because actually you want to, cut through the noise because everyone is sending a lot of emails at this period. Don't hesitate to reuse some of the best visuals that you have. It's not the case here. Actually, their visual is not that incredible to be used 20 times. Like, I don't really get it, to be honest. But still, it can be hard to organize and to have good photos. So don't hesitate to use them several times in your email newsletters. All right, Under Armour, not a fan of this one, to be honest. Door Voices, that's one of my favorite brands, to be honest. And yeah, see, same. They're using the same visuals, but twice. And why not? The same, I guess, here. Okay, 3 times, but then you stay in the same vein. The same here, 3 times the same visual, but that's all, not 20 times. And then if you look at those emails, this is a great example as well of great copywriting, simple yet effective. And the structure of the email is kind of similar to what Lululemon's doing. Lululemon, basically what you do have is like a big image and then some text and a headline just below the image, sometime on top. Outdoor Voices, it's almost always the headline. I mean, Outdoor Voices, the logo, then the headline, then the image. And it's that almost every time. All right. And then Vuori. There's just something interesting that I wanted to show for Vuori. Outdoor Voices is doing it as well. I haven't received the one from November yet on Outdoor Voices, but that every month they're actually summing up what's new in the company, in Vuori, in the range. Are there new products, back in stock products as well? And it's a great way to round up for your audience what happened at your company for the last 30 days. So that's a great idea of a recurring email that you can send to your audience. And all right, you see the pattern here with a larger font than Outdoor Voice with the background, with an image in background, and almost always plays with 2 CTAs here: men's new, women's new, shop men's, shop women's, shop men's, shop women's. Interesting. Shop men's, shop women. Here again. Okay, all right. Okay, let's take a look at the ads as well. It might be interesting here. What do we got? So we have Lululemon. All right, so we have mostly here catalogs ads, so not that interesting. I'm actually interested to know if Lululemon are using videos in their ads. So let's take a look at that. All right, they do 100 results. All right, they're using, mostly, I'd say, all right, branded videos. Yeah, mostly branded videos. And it's funny because mostly just about their partnerships with Klarna and Afterpay. Move now, pay later, place your payments. All right, that's fun. Not that much videos actually. Klarna, Afterpay, find your new favorites. This one doesn't have to be about the payments themselves, right? This one as well might be about the product themselves, but yeah, we have one way of doing video ads here, and this way is branded videos. So that's clear. We have no UGC, no social proof, only branded videos. All right, interesting. I guess we'll have other approaches at the competitors. So here we have some, not that much catalog ads versus Lululemon, and especially we do have some people talking face camera, so it might be interesting.
That I trust to take me wherever I'm going. The Runner Plus is breathable, responsive, and super comfortable.
Yeah, interesting. So Same. We do have branded videos, but here we have people speaking and explaining things to us, which is a different way of doing.
The Noble Trainer is designed.
Yeah. See, explaining what's the product, how it works. So another way, actually, of doing branded video. Another way that Lululemon is not doing, or at least we not in the recent months. All right, interesting. All right, Under Armour, what do you got? Okay, so we do have some videos about the products themselves. Yeah, another way of branded videos, just highlighting the product features. All right, I don't understand this at all. So we do have a lot of photos though, using one of the main mottos of Under Armour, for all who blah blah blah. Okay, interesting. So here again, that's a product feature. All right. Okay, not a fan. Under Armour, not a fan. Okay, all right. Here, outdoor voices. Outdoor voices. I already know this. It's actually pretty much photo shoots of products and branded video. Nothing much. Nothing original there. All right. Oh, some, we could say almost UGC videos. It's not really the case though, but here you go. You know, it's fun looking at all those ads. We don't see any ads that is about social proof or that kind of stuff. It's mostly inspirational videos for all of them. Here we do have an inspirational as well. Well, at least this one is the one that is the most interesting to me, because it matches something that could be user-generated content. So that could be interesting. All right, let's see what Vuori has in stock. All right, that's a lot of ads actually on the platform. Okay, mostly static. Mostly, I do like those for the holiday season. For the gift guide, it's a great introduction. And here, I guess that's going to be about the product itself. So yeah, our team handmade. Okay, staff peak ads. Yeah, not a fan, but not a lot of videos though. This one might be interesting. Yeah, it's a good way also to introduce a gift guide for Christmas. So interesting. Okay, all right. So we've seen emails, we've seen product launches by Lululemon, we've seen newsletters, we've seen competitors, we've seen ads. I hope it was interesting for you just to have a clue at what Lululemon is doing and what their competitors are doing as well. Let me know what you think in the comments. What I'm going to do later is that I'm going to gather actually the best assets that we've seen during this video, and I'm going to create a list and put it in the description just below so you can access it for free. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we're going to do those kinds of videos every week. If you have any question, anything in mind, just let me know, or let me know in the comments. Find me on LinkedIn, or just go on Panoramata and book a demo. I'll be on the other side of the call. Take care. Bye-bye.